Hi guys, it's Paula. I hope you're all doing well today. Today is the day I am playing with makeup that I've owned for a long time, for quite a while, and have never used before. This is kind of a follow-up to my first confessions of a makeup hoarder. A lot of you guys said get in there and do a get ready with me using that makeup, and I thought it was a brilliant idea. So I am cheating on my project pan today and playing with makeup that is new to me. So hopefully this all goes well because I'm hoping to film another video or two after this. I have already applied pretty much all of my cream products. So I have on foundation, concealer, cream blush, cream highlighter, cream contour, and I have primed my eyelids, and I've set some of those areas with some powder. So that's already on my face. So let's start with the eyes. I am going to dig into my Bonbons palette. I have just been so inspired by all of those purpley colors that are so popular right now. I've been doing a lot of mauve colors, but I haven't really been doing like the hot pink purple colors, and I'm craving it. So I am going to start with this color, Almond Truffle. Right up there in the corner, it's like a nice mauve transition color. Sniffing the palette. I don't think it's as strongly smelling as it used to be, but still smells beautiful. Today is Monday and it's President's Day, so I have the day off of work. And I'm able to do this. Oh, and I forgot to tell you guys, in honor of this video, I even tried a new nail polish that I've never worn before, and it is this Julep in the shade Aquarius, and it's got this teal purple shift, and I'm liking it. I'm not crazy about the brush on that polish, and I'm not crazy about how long it takes to dry, but the color is gorgeous. Okay, now I'm going to go in with this shade Totally Fetch, that hot pink color, and I'm pretty much gonna apply that just about everywhere. Just about. Let's start out here. I'm gonna look in this mirror too. I am liking that these shadows are pigmented and they're going on nicely, but there's not a ton of fallout. Hopefully this look doesn't take too much time. I'm not going for super fancy. All right, I'm gonna blend that out with that first shade, the Almond Truffle again. That's fun. All right, now I'm gonna take Satin Sheets. Looks like a satiny colored highlight. You can see I haven't even, oh, I've used 2 brushes so far. I do that a lot. I can generally do a pretty solid eye look with 1 or 2 brushes. Oh, I see it. It's kind of subtle, but there's a little shine there. I'm gonna use that on the inner corner too. I did put a base of that NYX Jumbo Eye Stick in Milk, which is why I have so much light there to begin with. Okay, I'm gonna take a little pencil brush. This is actually called a small crease blush, small crease brush from Makeup Geek. And I'm gonna go ahead in with, I think I'm gonna mix almond truffle and black currant. So that first one, that mauve shade, and this purple shade down there, that I have a feeling is gonna be pretty dark. If it's like other Too Faced shadows with they look glittery and bright, but when they go on the eyes, they're just dark. I like that combination. Let's see. Okay, now for some fun, as if that wasn't fun enough. I didn't show this in my last video, but I pulled out this Stila, oh, it matches my nails. Ah! This is in the shade Into the Blue. It's one of the Magnificent Metals, Glitter and Glow. And I am going to apply this all on a large part of my lid and see what happens. Oh my goodness, it's pretty. All right, now don't blink. Don't blink, don't blink. Okay, I am holding my face in this crazy position because I want it to dry down. Oh, did I blink? All right, does it make me look cross-eyed? Oh, does it make me look cross-eyed? I have to fix that. This is really blue. Let me see if it's dried down at all. Oh, good. It is drying. I think I need to darken that outer crease up a bit. Or the outer corner, I mean. Let's grab that purple, that black currant color. Let me do it right here. Because I look cross-eyed or something. I'm gonna go in the mirror and see if I look as weird as I look here. I feel like I look really weird. Do I look weird to you guys? All right, a little liquid liner. This is an old Lorac liquid liner. So I'm kind of wishing I would have gone with this little pinky blue shift one instead. I don't know. What do you guys think? Is this too much? Let's keep going. I'm gonna throw on some mascara and I will be right back. So I do feel like a little liner and mascara definitely helped pull this look together. This would probably also be a good look for false eyelashes, but I'm not gonna put those on today. So we're gonna keep moving on to the face. So let's move on to Butter Bronzer. I am so excited about using this for the first time, you guys. Yes. This is the shade Bronzer. So I know they have a whole bunch of shades out now, but at the time that I bought this, they had this shade and a lighter shade, and everybody was saying that these tend to run light. So I went with the regular shade, not the lighter one. I felt like that one was kind of designed for the fairest of the fair out there. And I do already have a cream bronzer on, so this is just kind of sitting on top of that, but I like it. I like it a lot. For blush, we are going in with the Covergirl Instant Cheekbones. I'm gonna use the same brush that I used for my bronzer. It is the e.l.f. I believe it's called the complexion brush, and I love this brush for that. And I'm just gonna kind of dip the brush into these two shades over on this end. I'm not sure how pigmented these are since I've never actually used them, so I'm starting careful. That looks about right. And then I'm gonna just kind of pinch my brush to flatten it out and go into the highlight shade over here. And again, this is on top of a cream highlighter. But I like it. I like it a lot. And for some added glow, we're gonna go into my Gleam Tones Powder Dunes at Dusk. I think this, I found out, somebody mentioned this in the comments, this was the collection called MAC Vibe Tribes. And it was this one that I talked about in that video. And I'm just gonna kind of swirl my blush everywhere and kind of use it, oh, that's pretty. Use it as a blush topper. Oh, I like that. Yes, 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 yes. This look is really coming together. All right. I'm gonna line my lips with my Naked lip liner from Urban Decay. I have used this before. I really like it. It's not new to me. And for lipstick, we are gonna try the shade Kitty from one of these Bare Minerals that I got. It looks like a pretty light colored pinky nude. And I love it. I love it. I love that color. All right, I'm gonna spray a little Makeup Forever Mist and Fix on. I normally do this before mascara, but since I did the eyes first, and I'm just gonna spray it now. I really like this stuff. Okay, so that is everything. I had so much fun doing this video and playing with makeup that I have never used but have owned forever. I might try to leave comments below as to when I purchased some of these items so that you can get an idea of how long they have been sitting in drawers not being touched. So I'm gonna remember to do that. What I'll do is I'll put a list of the new products that I used today specifically for this look that I've never used before and when I bought them so that you can see how long they've been sitting around. But I actually really like this look. I wasn't sure about the eyes at first, but I'm happy with how they turned out, and I think the blush and highlighter and lipstick all kind of complement each other nicely. I'm kind of loving the glow that MAC cheek topper, I kind of used it as a cheek topper. I'm kind of loving the glow from that right now. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.